Hey everyone. I'm your name, and today we're talking about the upcoming solar eclipse and how to capture it safely and effectively with your iPhone camera. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would you want to take photos of a solar eclipse? Well, it's a once-in-a-lifetime event that's not only visually stunning but also a great opportunity to learn about astronomy and the wonders of the universe. But here's the catch: the sun's rays are incredibly powerful and can damage your phone camera if not handled properly. So, let's dive into the details and figure out how to capture this celestial spectacle without putting your device at risk. First things first, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Looking directly at the sun, even during a partial eclipse, can cause severe eye damage. The retina, the light-sensitive part of our eyes, is incredibly sensitive to sunlight and can be damaged by even a brief glance. This condition, known as solar retinopathy, can lead to blurry vision, blind spots, and even permanent vision loss. So, it's essential to take the necessary precautions. Now, onto the photography part. If you want to capture the eclipse on your iPhone, you'll need to follow some specific steps. Firstly, reduce your exposure. Tap on the sun icon on your screen and adjust the exposure settings. You want a clear, defined edge on the sun, not a blurry white blob. This might require some experimentation, but it's crucial to get it right. Secondly, consider using optical zoom if your iPhone supports it. This function allows for better image quality when zooming in, giving you a clearer view of the eclipse. However, be cautious not to look directly at the sun through the viewfinder, as this can still cause damage to your eyes. One of the most important aspects is protecting your lens. The sun's rays can permanently damage your phone camera, so it's essential to use a solar filter. You can either buy a dedicated solar filter or use Eclipse glasses or a viewer. Just make sure to cover your own eyes as well. If you don't have access to these, a pinhole projector is a safe alternative, allowing you to view the eclipse indirectly. Now, let's talk about the best phone settings. Once you've sorted the safety aspects, it's time to optimize your camera. Reduce the exposure again, but this time, focus on getting the best possible image. Experiment with different settings and angles to capture the eclipse's beauty. In my opinion, one of the most fascinating aspects of this event is the contrast between the sun's power and the fragility of our technology. It's a reminder that while we can capture incredible moments with our devices, we must also respect the natural world and take the necessary precautions. So, get ready to snap some stunning photos of the solar eclipse, but always prioritize safety and the well-being of your eyes. What are your thoughts on capturing the solar eclipse? Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay curious, and until next time.